Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. In our program, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Petar Jacimovic and try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Last trading week, currency analysts predicted an advance of the euro against the US dollar, despite some factors which could have hindered growth of the most popular currency pair. Indeed, their expectations have come true. Amid a weaker US dollar, the euro is on track to close on Friday at the highest level in 1.5 months. Hi Petar, your previous forecast has been confirmed by the ongoing developments on Forex. What do you expect from the euro-dollar pair next week?
Hello there, traders. The euro versus US dollar, I did exactly what I suggested you previous week when I did forecast for this currency pair. Because what I recognize and what is still active and now it's even stronger is basically potential end of the expanded flat downward correction on the daily time frame. So this is a very significant for the short and mid and long-term perspective because the euro basically stopped and the level of 1.1475 was the key low from where the euro dollar found that a C wave and the low of the C wave, and that was the, in my opinion, the level which basically where this expanded flat ended. So I suggest to watch for buying opportunities, and this is exactly what is happening at the moment in this currency pair. So I still suggest you watch for buying opportunities. Now this is an even stronger sign because the price back into this multi-days range, and my advice is absolutely to continue to watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and the take profit levels are set at the price of 1.1625. And then at 1.1660, and after that 1.1700 and 1.1750. So watch for buying opportunities, potential end of the downward correction according to the daily time frame. It's very significant. So watch for buying opportunities and continuation on this currency pair.
Petar, your forecast of the pound-dollar pair has also proved true this week. The deal recommended by you yielded a 170 pips profit. Recently, the pound sterling has been highly sensitive to political factors and market sentiment. Nevertheless, the British pound is closing this trading week with the gains. Could you please share your ideas about this trading instrument?
On the British pound versus US dollar, as I suggested in the previous week, to watch for buying opportunities, basically I found that price reached the first upward target for my forecast last week, and take profit was set at the 1.3175, and price reached this level and even it went higher. So you know, my advice is still to continue to watch for buying opportunities on the dips. Again, everything started from the breakout of the 6 days downward channel, and the successful breakout with a strong momentum suggested the buyers basically took control from the sellers. So I still suggest to watch for buying opportunities on the dips, but be very careful when if the price reaches the 1.3285, because this is a critical resistance right now on this currency pair, and this is also the first upward target if you plan to buy this currency pair. So at the level 1.3285, the breakout through this level, a successful breakout, will confirm potential new wave of buying orders, and then you can watch for the second target at the price of 1.3415, which is also significant resistance based on the previous price action. But if you see, for example, some big rejection from the 1.3285, then that can change this the bullish view, and it may turn bearish. But for now, everything is bullish, and I suggest you watch for buying opportunities. Go with the trend, go with the momentum, and then try to buy on the dips. So watch for buying opportunities with the first target at the 1.3285.
Interestingly, market participants are poised to buy riskier assets this week. The rise in risk appetite makes notable changes to some trading instruments. For example, despite trading at highs, the Euro-Audi pair is ready to move southward. In the previous Linkup, you suggested a steeper climb. However, the price has not been able to touch the target levels. Do you cancel your previous forecast, or do you think the pair could eventually follow your scenario and we could carry out your recent recommendations?
On the Euro-Australian dollar, there is a very interesting situation which happened, and this is the basic update from the previous week. What actually happened, basically, I suggested you the price basically did this breakout of the bullish flag, and that was it was a very significant because I expected that basically the downward correction ended and that we got basically the ABC flag, and that is still absolutely active because the price actually did successful breakout of this bullish flag. But what happened is what also very usually happens after the breakout is price went to test this upper diagonal of this downward channel, this bullish flag, and that test was successful since the price rejected very aggressively from after that test. So I'm expecting absolutely price to continue go higher. The trend is bullish, basically the short and midterm trend, they're bullish, and the idea, this bullish idea will be invalid if the price breaks below the 1.6 level, but if the price stays above 1.6 level, watch for buying opportunities. The upward take profit levels are set at the price of 1.6450. This is the first upward target. It's also the Fibonacci expansion, 61.8%. And then watch for the second upward target at the price of 1.6720. And this is the basically a Fibonacci expansion 100%. Again, breakout of the bullish flag in the background, successful test after the breakout. Watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the weekly Linkup on InstaForex TV channel. The analytical forecasts have been presented by Petar Jacimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you successful completion of the trading week and a nice weekend. See you soon.